Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, how do you find your Facebook code generator? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the Facebook code generator? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're trying to log into a different browser, like on your computer or maybe someone else's computer or phone, in order to log in, Facebook does require you to find your Facebook code generate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the Facebook app. It's this blue and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Facebook now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Facebook app. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you are looking for your Facebook code generator, you want to click on this little hamburger menu down here on the bottom right. It's 3 horizontal lines. Okay, guys, once you click there, you're going to get the options menu for your Facebook profile. But in order to find your Facebook code generator, you want to scroll down until you get to this section called Settings and Privacy. Okay, once you click there, you're going to get another drop-down menu and click on the Settings line. It has a little person icon next to it. Okay, once you click there, you will see the Settings and Privacy section for your Facebook account. But in order to find the Facebook code generator, click on this line right here called Password and Security. It has a little shield icon looking thing next to it. Okay, we're almost there. Once you get to that section, you want to scroll down until you get to this line right here called Code Generator. It has a little key icon next to it. Okay, once you click there, then you will see your Facebook code generator. As you can see, this is my code and it lasts for 30 seconds. You can easily hard press on the code and then it will copy it to your clipboard so you can easily paste it into the other browser that's asking for it. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for your Facebook code generator, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.